Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. You may encounter this notification, or we can say this is the login screen. So if you are confused what you have to select, then I will show you in this video and I will explain you everything what it does mean. So first of all, when you have locally set up your system without any Microsoft account, backup your data into the OneDrive or cloud storage. And only the reason is, you can see, to promote these kind of apps by the Microsoft. And if you go to the click on continue options here, it will ask you to log in with the Microsoft account, but you don't need to do it. Let's say you have to not now, just select that option and then click on skip. Go back and click on skip for now, and you should be able to log in into your system directly. So this is the video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.